Okay, so now I'm going to do an example of adding and subtracting vectors. And in this example, we're going to work with a rectangular box. So sorry if my drawing is kind of bad. I'm not that good in drawings, but this is, imagine a rectangular box. That means that this line is parallel to that line, to this one, and to this one to this one, this one to this one. So this is a rectangular box. And what we have to do is write AH minus DA plus FD using a single vector. So this can be kind of hard if you only try to do this right inside your head just like that. It's going to be really hard. Your first step is usually to bring back the negative vectors as positive vectors, because we saw in the previous video that your negative dA is just going to be AH. This one is not going to change, plus AD plus FD. So you just bring negative dA, which is the opposite of dA. The opposite of dA is AD. So it's much easier to work with AD than negative dA. So always bring back the negative as positive vectors. Then I'm going to draw a H on my box. So I'm going to draw the vector AH. So this is a vector that looks like that. So it starts from A and goes all the way to H. So this is my AH vector right here. Now I have to add AD to that. So I would like to have a vector that I can put its origin here, but AD has an origin right here. So this is my vector AD right there. So this is my AD vector. But I know a vector that is parallel and that has the same length, same direction as AD. And that vector is HG because it's a box. And remember that in that box, this line is parallel to that line, has the same length and same direction. So I'm not going to work with AD, which is right here. I'm going to work with HG. So I'm going to write down AH plus HG plus FD. So now with HG, it is much easier to work with, because remember that when we add vectors, we have to get a vector at the end of the first one. So it's much easier. Now I have to add FD, which is right here. So this is FD. So it's not at the right spot. I have to find a vector where its origin is at G. So what I'm going to work with, I'm not going to work with FD, I'm going to work with GC, because GC has the same length as FD, same direction, same orientation. So I'm going to write down AH plus HG plus GC. And now I can find my resulting vectors, because when I do AH, so this one, AH plus HG plus GC, the resulting vector will just be the origin of the first one to the end of the last one. So my resulting vector will be AC. So all of that is equal to AC, like this. And notice that when you're looking at this addition of vectors, what is going to happen is that This H will cancel that H, and so this cancels this, and that G will cancel that G. The resulting vector is going to be AC. So when you see connecting letters, you can just cancel them, cancel, and the resulting is just AC. So this is my final answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.